वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। तो आज क्लास 6 का एसएसटी का कर्नाटक स्टेट बोर्ड लेसन 2 मैसूर डिवीज़न, लेसन 2 का बेंगलोर डिवीज़न हो गया है, ये मैसूर डिवीज़न है लेसन 2 का। ठीक है, तो इसमें इसके एक्सरसाइज इस वीडियो में आज हम देखेंगे। इसमें फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस। How many districts are there in Mysore division? 8 districts are there in Mysore division. How did the name Mysore came into being? According to mythological story, the goddess Parvati killed Mahishasura in the form of Chamundeshwari. The place where Mahisaki was killed become Mysuru. Name the Wadiyar king who contributed to the development of Mysore kingdom during early part of 20th century. Krishnaraj Sagar Wadiyar 4. Next question. What name did the Britishers give to the coastal region of Karnataka? The coastal Karnataka was called Kannara by the Britishers. Filling the blanks. Dakshin Kannada was divided in the year 1997 to create Udupi district. Dakshin Kannada and Uttar Kannada are the coastal district of Mysuru division. Name any two famous rivers in the division. The following are famous river of the division: कावेरी, हेमावती, हरनगी, नेत्रावती, कुमारधारा, वेदावती, कपिलगगनची and Gangoli. Next question 6. Name the district which receive heavy and low rainfall in this division. The Udupi district of this division receives highest rainfall, whereas the Madhya district receives the lowest rainfall. Name any two mineral available in this division. Bauxite, felsite, chromite, limestone, manganese, granite are the major minerals available in Mysore division. What is the major occupation of people in the coastal areas? Fishing is the major occupation of people in the coastal areas. Answer the following question. Name any two famous forest areas in this division. इसका आंसर है बनीपुर, नागरहोल, मेल, महादेश्वरा बेट्टा and Pushpagiri are famous forest areas. Name any two tribal groups living in this division. Tribal groups are Jenukanda, Korega, Malekauda, Hakkipikki, Halsa and Madara. Next question is, name any two birds and wildlife centers of this division. Rangana Tittu bird, Century Godavi bird, Century Kokore, Beluru bird, centuries are the major bird sanctuaries. Melkote wildlife sanctuaries, Mel Mahadeshwara wildlife sanctuary. Next question, filling the blanks. Our national animal is tiger. Wild elephant are tamed using Kedda operation technique. Name two national power in this division. Rajiv Gandhi Nagarhole National Park is in Mysuru district and Bandipur National Park is in Cambridge Nagar district. Name any 6 crops grow in this division. Paddy, raga, maize, various pulses are the major crops of this division. Tobacco, coffee, cashew nuts, 6 crops are grown in this division. Name any 2 irrigation project in this division. The Krishnaraj Sagar, Harangi, Hemavati and Kabini. Irrigation project in this division. Name any 3 major occupation in this division. 3 occupation are dairying, poultry, sheep rearing and agriculture. These are occupation of this division. Filling the blanks. Hassans and Chikmagaluru district in Mysore division grows the more coffee. Write the name of the harvest festival celebrated in Kodagu. There are unique ritual like Hattari Habba of Kodaga. Right is Ramayana the repertory theatre based at. The theory repertory group Rangayana is in Mysore and it is founded by the government. Next question. Name any 2 famous Kannada novel list of this division. Many writers from this division like Guru Ramaswamy Iyengar, Dr. S.I. Bhairappa, M. Gopala, Krishna Adiga, these Kannada novelties of this division. Name any 2 famous English novelties of this division. R.K. Narayan is a famous English novelist from Mysuru. Which university is Mysuru division has celebrated 100 years? The University of Mysuru was established in 1950 and now is century old university. What is the name of the center which provide healthcare in rural area? There are rural sub-health centers in rural areas to provide medical care to rural people. Name any 2 good health indicator. The life expectancy of people is better, mortality rates are also lower. These are the indicator of better health status of people. Name any 2 famous English novelists from Mysuru. R.K. Narayan is a famous English novelist from Mysore. Rajarao of Hassan is a famous English novelist. Name any 2 freedom fighters who fought against untouchability. Kudmal Ranga Rao of Mangaluru dedicated his life for the upliftment of untouchable Tagdar Ramachandra Rao. Question. What is Shravan Belgola famous for? Gomateshwar, a monolith idol of Shravan Belgola to Mysore division. What name any 4 freedom fighter? H.C. Dasappa, Yashodhara Dasappa, Karnad Sadashiv Rao, H.K. Viranna Govda. There are freedom fighter. Filling the blanks. River Kaveri originated from Talkaveri is Kodagu district. Kudmal Ranga Rao dedicated his life for the upliftment of untouchables. Internationally acclaimed Dasera festival is celebrated in Mysuru. 4th point. Dakshin Kannada and Udupi district of Mysore division have part. Next, make a list of commercial crops grown in Mysore division. Tobacco, coffee, cashew nut, potato, sugarcane, cotton, orange and coconut are the major crops. Name two parts in Pakistan, Kannada and Udupi district. Panambur port is known for the export business. Nava Mangaluru port is built here. Name the place which have Gomteshwara status in this division. Gomteshwara status in this division Shravan Belgolla, Karkala and Venuru. Third point. Where does Kanveri originated? River Kanveri originated from Talkaveri in कोडगा डिस्ट्रिक्ट. ठीक है, तो इसी के साथ इस वीडियो में एसएसटी का ये लेसन कंप्लीट होता है. ठीक है, लेसन 1 और लेसन 2 बेंगलुरु डिवीज़न और मैसूर डिवीज़न. ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट लेसन के साथ मिलते हैं. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय.